First, install and activate the Customer Coupon plugin like any other WordPress plugin. Once activated, the plugin extends WooCommerce's default coupon system and adds new features and settings throughout your dashboard. Let's start by creating a new coupon or editing an existing one. On the Coupon Edit page, the plugin adds three main sections: Customer Coupon, Advanced Settings, and Scheduler. In the Customer Coupon section, you can control how the coupon behaves and appears. You can choose whether the coupon is sent by email, shown on the front end, or applied automatically when its conditions are met. These settings can follow global defaults or be customized for each individual coupon. You can also customize the coupon title, description, start date, and visual design, including colors, badges, and layout options. The Advanced Settings section allows you to restrict who can use the coupon. You can limit coupons to first-time customers, set total spend requirements, restrict by shipping or payment methods, user roles, or customer country. These conditions help you target the right customers and prevent unwanted coupon usage. The scheduler lets you control when the coupon is valid. You can define date ranges, specific days of the week, and time periods when the coupon can be used. If a customer tries to use the coupon outside the allowed time, a custom error message can be shown. Once everything is configured, save or update the coupon. Next, let's move on to the plugin's global settings. These settings apply to all coupons by default unless they are overridden at the individual coupon level. In general settings, you can control where coupons are displayed on the front end, such as on the cart or checkout page, and configure how coupon dates are formatted. Email settings control how coupon emails are sent to customers. Emails are sent when a coupon is restricted to specific customer email addresses, and the Send Email option is enabled. You can customize the email subject, heading, content, and use placeholders to automatically insert coupon details. A Shop Now button is also available and can be styled and previewed in real time. The Design Settings section controls how coupons look and how they are presented across your store. This section is divided into 5 parts: Voucher, Coupon Badge, Promotion Message, Coupon Bar, and Shortcode. The Voucher section controls how individual coupons are displayed as vouchers. You can choose from built-in voucher templates and customize their appearance, including colors, usage progress, remaining quantity, and action buttons. All changes are shown instantly in the preview, making it easy to adjust the design. The Coupon Badge section allows you to display discount badges on product archive pages. These badges highlight the best available coupon for a product, helping attract customer attention. You can control badge placement and customize its text, spacing, colors, and font size with live preview support. Promotion messages display coupon savings information directly on single product pages. You can choose where the message appears, customize its content, and optionally display a list of available coupons ordered by discount value. This helps customers discover available discounts before adding products to the cart. The coupon bar is a floating bar that appears at the top or bottom of the page to promote coupons. You can access coupon bar settings from Design, Coupon Bar, or through the WordPress customizer. Coupon bar settings are divided into 4 tabs: General Settings, Coupon Bar Content, Coupon Bar Meta, and Coupon Bar Action. In General Settings, you control where and when the coupon bar appears. You can enable or disable the bar, choose its position, decide which pages it shows on, and control visibility on desktop or mobile. You can select which coupon is displayed, either automatically based on expiration date or by selecting a specific coupon. Display triggers let you control when the bar appears, such as on first visit, exit intent, scroll depth, time on site, or when items are in the cart. This section controls the main content inside the coupon bar. You can customize the title, description, and badge text, and use supported shortcodes to dynamically display coupon information. Coupon Bar Meta displays additional information such as coupon usage progress and expiry countdown timers. You can enable or disable these elements and customize their appearance. Coupon Bar Action defines what happens when customers interact with the bar. You can show an action button and choose whether it applies the coupon, copies the code, redirects to a page, or shows eligible products. The shortcode section provides ready-to-use shortcodes that allow you to display promotion messages and coupon lists anywhere on your site. Each shortcode comes with optional parameters, giving you flexibility to control how coupons are displayed without writing any code. Now let's see how coupons appear on the front end. Depending on your settings, coupons may be shown on product pages, in the cart, or inside the coupon bar. Coupons can be applied automatically or interacted with by customers based on the configured behavior. The plugin supports virtual coupons, also known as bulk aliases. These are single-use coupon codes generated from a parent coupon. To create them, go to Dashboard Marketing Coupons, select a coupon, and click Bulk Aliases. Configure the options, then click Generate and Download. Virtual coupons inherit all settings from the parent coupon and can be shared directly with customers. Coupon categories help you organize and manage coupons more efficiently. You can create categories and assign them when creating or updating coupons. This is especially useful when working with a large number of coupons.